In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file to image. First, I'm going on Google, then here to type PDF to image. Then click on enter. You can see here our first two websites. I really prefer you because this is very easy drag and drop. Now I click on this file, then I need to convert its image. Right now click on convert to jpg. Now I can click on downloads. It's already completed. It's very easy. If I open this file, you can see it's already 5 seconds left. Now if I open, wow, it's already, you can see this is image jpg file. So this is the method how we can convert pdf to image. It's free. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.